Is CANdelaStudio part of your diagnostic development process and do you want to speed it up with CANdelaStudio Server Edition? Then stay tuned. Hello, my name is Ina Sauer and I am a diagnostic software development engineer at Vector. In this video, I will show you how to automate your diagnostic development process using CANdelaStudio Server Edition. This will greatly reduce manual interaction. Let's have a look at the following example. The diagnostic description and its CDD have been changed manually according to the extensions of the project. Following the process, these improvements must be first synchronized with the EE development tool provision before the required ODX data, AutoSAR-Dext file and SOVD OpenAPI file are generated. All those steps can be easily automated with CANdelaStudio Data Exchange Server Edition according to a predefined workflow, also called pipeline. But how can we achieve this? The prerequisite for automation is a source control system like Git or SVN, a CI/CD platform like GitHub Actions or Jenkins, and a server environment. In this video, we use Git, GitHub Actions, and a Windows Server 2022 environment. After installation of Git and CANdelaStudio on the Windows Server, use the Vector license client to activate a valid license of CANdelaStudio Data Exchange Server Edition, either locally or on a licensed server. The execution of the automated process is done on a Windows Server using GitHub Actions and based on artifacts out of the GitHub repository. Therefore, a connection from the GitHub repository to the Windows Server must be set up. In GitHub Actions, the machines which execute the workflow are called runners. To define such a runner, open the GitHub webpage under Settings, Actions, Runners, using the button New Self-Hosted Runner. Choose Windows as runner image and follow the installation instructions. In the Configure block, set the name of the runner. The last command activates the runner. Now we will have a deeper look at the central YAML workflow file that will be executed on the runner. The trigger events for starting the workflow are defined in the on command. Here we use the push event that is triggered each time an artifact is modified in the repository. The runner on which the workflow is executed has been set through the runner's name in the runs on command. After the checkout step, where the complete repository is downloaded on the Windows Server, CANdelaStudio imports in the next step the previsioned diagnostic data file via a CANdelaStudio SE command line call. More details on the semantics of the commands can be found in CANdelaStudio Help. Finally, the updated CDD file is uploaded to the GitHub Actions webpage. Proceed the same way with ODX export, Dext export and SOVD OpenAPI export. We now start the workflow manually. The progress is displayed in detail and the available artifacts are ready to be downloaded for further use. In this video, I showed you with a simple example how easy it is to integrate CANdelaStudio Server Edition into an automation pipeline on a Windows Server. Much more powerful tasks are possible to speed up your diagnostic development workflow. On demand, we provide you with a simple cooking recipe to apply or specific tailor and apply projects. You can find the contact information in the description. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Interested in more videos about diagnostics, smart workflows and overall good software? Then subscribe to our Vector Tech tutorial channel and activate the bell. Hope to see you there. Bye!